Happy May 27, 2022, YouTubers, social media, virtual friends, and better brainiacs and others. Greetings from the Northern Hemisphere. This is Danny Zen, Time Freedom Coach and PURIUM Independent Brand Partner. In this video, I'm so excited, by the way, I just got this delivered by FedEx. This is a contained package of PURIUM'S health products, Epi-Genius Kids, chocolate flavored yummy protein powder that's vegan, non-GMO. Even comes in a non-plastic compostable packaging. It's called Not Just for Kids now. So in this Terra pouch, you've got 630 grams of over 20 superfood items. And so again, it's called Epi-Genius Kids, and it's amazing. I can't wait to try it. This is my first time. This is the list of ingredients. I'll have a link below to my PURIUM referral link where you can learn more. And as you can see, by the way, the products, this powder is low temperature dehydrated at just 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will have its enzymes intact. So we'll go over what this is, what it can do for you, how you can get it, some other benefits of this. Before I forget, this makes a great emergency survival food option as well for those preppers or for hurricane season or whatever, because it's got a shelf life of about around 2 years if it's stored properly and left unopened. And so it's got, let's see here, let me just show you. Okay, by the way, it also has inside this Epi-Genius Kids powder, it also contains a serving or 1 capsule of Biomedic already pre-mixed in. Biomedic is PURIUM'S flagship product that has been shown to remove 74% of glyphosate, and that's the active ingredient in the Roundup weed killer, according to a 2017 small 6-week human trial. And so I'll have links below for the description of all of this. For those that have leaky gut, digestive issues, sleep challenges, any chronic or acute health challenges, go to my Glyphosate Guy Linktree website, which is whatisroundup.com, as you can see there. Go to whatisroundup.com. There'll be a ton of information there. You can also go straight to detoxroundup.com as well, okay? So in a serving, which is 3 tablespoons, and there's 30 servings per container, it's only got 70 calories per Epi-Genius Kid, and it's got, let's see here, it says 8 grams of protein per serving. It also has digestive enzymes, prebiotics, and probiotics, and there is, let's see what else. Let me show you the website here. Okay, it's got, I don't know if you guys can see, but let's see here. Okay, it's got 1,360 milligrams of fruits and 350 milligrams of veggies per serving. Like I mentioned, it's got the Biomedic, and it is great because you can actually get this a bag for free when you've ordered Epi-Genius Kids alone or as part of their Ultimate Life Transformation Pack, which I'll show you right. Where did it go? Well, anyways, you can get part of a pack. I'll have it in the description below the video, but it's eligible for PURIUM'S 3 and then free program. This is their website when you go to it. I'll have a link again below in the description of the video. So if you guys want something healthy, not just for, like I said, for kids, but for yourself even, get this. Like, here's the 3 and then free. So you order it, put it on the Active Smart Orders, their auto ship program. You will get, once you order it and pay for it 3 months in a row, Epi-Genius Kids, you'll get a bag automatically shipped out to you, okay? So I just paid, let's see, the customer loyalty price, which is 25% off the retail of almost $100, it brings it down to less than $75, okay? So there it is. I'll also have some description with links to some yummy recipes, such as this Epi-Genius S'mores milkshake that I learned from Million Mom Movement's website. Yummy, yummy. As well as an amazing Epi-Genius avocado chocolate mousse, and one I just found out from a Vimeo video by a fellow Purium brand partner. That's called a no-bake superfood cookies. That's pretty amazing, okay? I'll have the recipe below as well, okay? And then to use it, you could put in cold water. You don't want to heat this up too much again because it's got the live enzymes, keep it intact. And if you want a creamier version, you could add some almond or hopefully non-GMO organic soy milk. And then if you want to get other items, you can go to their main website, which is iShopPurium.com, and enter my gift code of DannyZen to save 25% off your first order of over $250, okay? Let me see what we got here. Here's a little flyer, and the link to go directly to get this, if you just want one bag, is tinyurl.com/Epi-Genius Kids, okay? And there's actually a version for dogs as well. I'll make another video for that. And so I hope this is something that's helpful for you. You can also learn more about Purium by going to my YouTube channel that's titled Plant Powered Nutrition and Passive Income with Purium. The link for that is right there, tinyurl.com/Purium YouTube channel, okay? So spread the word out about Epi-Genius Kids. If you end up getting it, let me know. Leave me a voicemail, my landline number at 786-441-2727. I'll even have a video for those that are ultra concerned about what natural flavoring means, since it does say natural flavoring or organic flavoring on the bag. I don't know if you can see there. But anyways, yeah, so lots of great stuff. It even has algae blend, functional food blend. What else? Fruit and berries we got. So the vegan protein, what makes up the most of the Epi-Genius Kids is organic pea protein and organic hemp protein, if you guys were curious about that, okay? It is sweetened with monk fruit, also known as Luhan guaberry, a little bit of Himalayan pink salt, got the organic fair trade cocoa powder, and it's a pretty nutrient-dense pack. So total sugar is just 1 gram, carbs 6 grams, a little bit of fat 2 grams, and dietary fiber, you got 4 grams to about 14% of your daily value. So check it out. Vitamins A, C, D, and E. This is great. Every person with kids should get this. Definitely much healthier than what I grew up on, which was an Oscar Mayer Lunchables when I was in grade school, I remember. I wish I would have had this when I was growing up. But anyways, now you know. So check it out. And if you have any questions, I'll include the link or contact information for some of my Purium brand partner sponsors in case you can't get a hold of me. And then I'll lastly leave you with 12 reasons to shop from Purium. You can learn more by entering this into your web browser. This will be in the description below the video as well. tinyurl.com/whyshopwithpurium, okay? And then the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack that you can also get with the Epi-Genius Kids is going to be looking like, let me just show you. Let's see here. This is what you get more or less in their Ultimate 30-Day Lifestyle Transformation Pack. And it does have a Epi-Genius version, like I said, so a lot of stuff. And I'll have you can go learn more by going to tinyurl.com. Actually, the link for that one is, where did it go? I think it's ULT Epi-Genius Kids is what you need to go to get it as part of the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack, okay? Let me show you where that's at. Anyways, where did it go? Okay, yeah, here it is. If you guys can see, go to tinyurl.com/ULT Epi-Genius Kids to get that as part of the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Pack. and you'll get free lower 48 state shipping, as well as 25% off. Okay, take care. Hope everyone has a safe, happy Memorial Day weekend, and thanks for your kind time and attention.